I'm a designer and I'm a professor, and I've been also teaching online for a few years. I teach design, so that's my main job. But I always wanted to work and kind of share things with the public, so the general public. So not just students that want to learn about design, but also people that are that have different kind of backgrounds, all kinds of people, all kinds of ages. And 3 years ago, I decided to do a few workshops here in Bangkok, where I am. The first workshop I remember was about creativity. I did a workshop to help people to be more creative, and people really liked it. So I decided to develop more workshops and different things that I can share with people. And and then an idea came to me. The idea was that I should explain that I am a person who spends a lot of time planning and always trying to kind of look ahead and trying to figure out things so I can do the things that I want to do. This is just about who I am. On top of that, because I am a designer, if you are a designer, usually you have to learn, you have to deal with a lot of challenges, and because of that, you also learn how to kind of face these challenges and develop your own way to solve these challenges in the best way possible, of course. So an idea came to me that I asked myself, what would happen if I can apply some of the things that I know as a designer to a human life? To, of course, I started with me. I started with my life, but I thought about that, and I was like, hang on, there is something there that I can do and I can apply. So to explain it in a very simple way, what I did, and this is what I'm sharing with you today, is to basically develop some very practical ways to apply a little bit of science to your own life. Obviously, I must say, as we all know, that a human life is a very complicated thing. And it is definitely, a human life is a challenge that we all have to face most of the time. But what I am proposing here is that there is something that you can do on a daily basis, actually, to improve your life, to manage your life, to get the things you want, to reach your goals. And of course, that depends from how much work you want to put into it. So this is a workshop where you will be very much engaged. So I asked everybody to have some paper and pencils, because the most important thing that we do in this workshop is to develop and do the activities together. So I will basically spend most of the time, I will just explain very quickly, what do you have to do? I will show it to you. So I prepared a sample for everything you have to do. And then very quickly, you will just try on your own to do it yourself. Okay. Obviously, many of the things that I will show you today and propose to you, maybe some of you have seen them before, or maybe you've never seen them before. So it might be a little bit scary in the beginning. I'm like, oh, how can I do this? Trust me, I've been doing this workshop with like face to face for the past 3 years. So I had time to experiment and see how people react to these things. But one thing that I can promise you is that if you are willing to put a little bit of time into these things, maybe you're not going to do everything I suggest to you today. Maybe you're going to do just a few exercises on your own, but that's still okay, because everything you choose to do can still help you to to take a good look at your life to begin with, but then also to really expand and take out of your head a lot of thoughts and ideas that you have, put them on paper, and see what else can you do with it.